Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one, it went down live in Oyo State, Ibadan, Oyo State, for ShinaPeller. Yes, he was installed the Ayedero of Yorubaland. I'm sorry if I did not pronounce that well. I am not a Yoruba. Then his billionaires friends and socialites turn up massively for him. We all know that ShinaPeller is someone who likes to associate himself with people. He was also in Oba during the burial of Obi Cubana mother. So Obi Cubana was there, Emoney was there, King Sunny Ade performed, and a whole lot of other dignitaries turn out massively for the show. That's what I'll be sharing here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome. Enjoy the video, guys.
Everybody, please get your seat. And there's so much more coming from the eastern part of Nigeria. It's 5-star music. My friend, my brother, electronic money.
You saw that ground massive entrance from these two socialites, as it was massive and it was wonderful. Now, not a lot of people actually know Obi Cubana in Ibadan. That is one thing I noticed from this first part of the video. Not a whole lot of people know Obi Cubana there, but a whole and lot of people recognize the presence of Emoney. The Nwatanayo is the one of Uli, and it was awesome. It was such a pleasant moment. King Sunny Ade performed live at this event. It was such an awesome event, and it was not just ordinary naira notes that was flowing around. Naira notes to flow, but the major note of the day, the major currency of the day, was only pounds and euros. You could see the classic and standard of the whole event. Anyway, let me save you a lot of this talking and let's continue to watch the video. Please don't forget to share a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think in the comment section.
Everybody's
A big congratulations to ShinaPeller there, and he's one of the leading politicians in Lagos State, Nigeria, as he become a leading member in the local traditional society. A big congratulations to him. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy this little clip. Don't forget to subscribe.
Obi